welcome to my channel. This is Angela Serendpity Arts, where journals where we craft with a heart. If yours the first time that you come here, welcome. If this is you coming back, thank you for your support. I'm so close to 2,000, so please, if you like this video, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps my channel. And also I will love if you leave an emoji or something in the comments. You can leave anything you want, or if you have any questions about anything, just feel free to ask. I'm very delighted that you're here and giving me a little bit of your time to see what I have. Today I have a Destash haul that I bought from the Cricket Crafter. I hope I'm saying that. Her name is Elizabeth. I think she has something that I really liked. I bought 2 lots from her, and one of them, I'm gonna show the one that I bought. It was an adhesive one that she lowered to $25. I think I paid $25 or something like that. But let me see. She sent me some goodies. I know there was another goodie around here. She sent me some pearls and something else, but I can't find it right now, if you ask me, because I don't know where I put it. Okay, so she sent me with this is, I'm going to include both. This was the adhesive she sent me as a thank you Elizabeth. I will put her channel. She has a couple Destashes there too. This bling stickers, and also check Crafty Beans. She is also doing a lot of Destashes. I love her Destashes. I bought a couple of them, but I didn't have my setting to be able to record them because they were fixing my room. But she has an awesome deal. So she usually do it Mondays and Tuesdays, and then I will put both of them down in there so you can go and check it both down. So she gave me this bling stickers from Jolie. They are great because you can use it in a masculine card like stud. And she gave me some Craft Mart's pearls. I love pearls. So what I bought from her that I thought it was worth the whole entire lot, because it was 25 shit. It was ATG refill rolls, double-sided, and you know these cost $14 in Michael's. And usually I buy them when I have a 40% or so. I used to buy mine in the generic ones, but I had a lot of problems with a batch that I bought from the company. They were sticking together. So here I have 6. So with this alone, I have my money. 6 rolls, and each roll has 36 yards. 36 yards. So I'm happy with that. And then she got all these clear double-sided adhesive from scrapbook.com that you know they cost $2 or $3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are 1 1/4, and that's the size that I love to use with double side. and I have 4 rolls, and then I have a roll of 1/8, and then I have this 20-yard 5-inch double side tape. So this was, and she gave me, I know she gave me extra of these, but I don't know where I put them. So this was one of the lot that I bought from her. And then, I don't know if you guys have heard of Flower Soft. I learned to work with Flower Soft. I've been crafting for the longest time that you have an idea. And I love working with Flower Soft. I have a couple of colors, but she was selling these, I think, I don't remember. These are $6.99. $6.99, and I don't know if they were $5 or something like that, but it was worth. I didn't have the polar white. I have the polar white, but I have a little bit of it because I use a lot of this in Christmas to put on top of the snow, to put in flowers. I love the black because I can use it in Halloween. And I love the nut brown because I can use it in autumn and summer for the flowers. It's like, if you've never seen it, it's like crush, actually crush. Let me see. It's like crush flowers. I love using this. This comes from the UK, usually. It's where I saw it, a friend. You can make your own little flowers. They give you, she got a package of the wire. She got white, and she got like a greenish color. And she also has the Flower Soft. This is PBA glue. I have PBA glue. It's what is better for Flower Soft. So she got also the glue. And she gave me, as a thank you, this Flower Soft Baby Peach and Ivory. So thank you very much, Elizabeth. So she has also, for $10, the accessory pack. And it comes with project books. And here you can see all the things that you can do. You see, you can make your own flowers, and they look, and you can put it on decoupage. And now that you're making journals and your papers has the design, it's just great. I just love it. Look, this is the Tootsie Mootsie something that you make the little cone and put flowers. You can make that. So it came with the instructions. I don't know where my instructions are because mine's are over 20 years old. And when I saw her have this, I have all the other colors that she had, but I didn't have those colors. I was so grateful. And the accessory packs include, this one is called Flower Soft Christmas Traditional Doors. Are they all the same? And what you do is, you see the Christmas, the wreath, you just put, you can put some of the white one here, a little bit like is snow, and make it, I like it better than flocking. I haven't opened this, but I am curious if they're all the same. Oh no, they have different colors. They have different colors. They have green, 3 greens and 3 whites. So that is awesome. I am very happy to have that, the door ones. Then she has this ones. I had some of these ones. I think I have 2 left. And this is the window. Look at how much they're, $3.99. And these ones are you see, they're made in the UK. This is from 2008. It's when they were having these. Not a lot of people knew. I had a friend from the UK, and she introduced me into this technique. These are called windows, country windows. And you get the windows. Then there is this one. It's a Christmas one. And this one has 2. It has the lamppost. It has, you can do all this in red, and I have the red, all this little flowers. You have different, and you can use this as the background. And then this, you can use this as center place, or to put in a stock in your journals. So I was very happy with those. Also, it came with this ones, and they were $3.99. This one is called Garden Corners. You get 2 of the sets, and here you can see how you put the glue. Then you spread this, and then you press it with your finger, and it stick to the glue. Sprinkle it with your choice of flour soft, and tap the excess. Allow it to dry and complete your project. It's very easy to use, not messy. It's not like glitter. I love it. I never seen this. I don't know how this is used. I don't know what it is. But it says flour soft, so I have to check and see what this. It doesn't say anything in the back. And then she gave me this one. It has a couple uses, but it doesn't matter. You can make the base, and you can make your flowers, and you can make it 3-dimensional. You can make like a shaker box and put the base inside, and put these little things and make your own flowers, and then put it inside like a shadow box. It's very pretty. So I was glad to see this. I think this has 4 pages. And then there's this one, and this one is for you to put on your cards. It says "Have pots and fun. You are on the top of the pots. Happy birthday," like sentiments. So I got all these. This was the accessory flower soft that came with all this. And I bought these 3 colors. She gave me these, and these are all this. So go and check Elizabeth out, and also go and check Crafty Beans. They're having amazing destashes, and I will see you soon in my another video. So happy crafting, stay safe, stay crafty, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.